So these fabrics tonight, this is, we're going to do spring color combinations, not just colors, but color combinations. And there's some combinations that are really beautiful for spring. So I wanted to highlight them in these fabrics. Now, first off, I'm going to tell you all the fabrics today are $19.99, and which is an excellent price for what they are. Let me show them to you. We're going to start with navy, and navy is one of our great bases for summer. This is a stretch. It's a cotton poly. It's stretched in both directions. It's got texture to it. It's got beautiful drape. It'd be great for the cardi, the new cardi that's out. This would be just really beautiful for that new cardi. And obviously other things, but I'm just going to give you kind of based on the new patterns. This fabric is 100% cotton. It's a floral. It's got the yellow in it, and we talk a lot tonight about butter yellow. This is the color. This has a black background, but it blends with the navy so beautifully, and it blends with the wine that I decided to include it to go with this yellow. It's again 100% cotton. It's a woven fabric, just really pretty. This is the butter yellow. The butter yellow is paired with burgundy and yellow and navy is a very classic that's come back. This is 100% cotton, and tonight we're going to show you different ways to either wear it on the bottom if it doesn't work for you, or the top if it does work for you. But this is 100% cotton. This is a woven, beautiful, beautiful fabric. Just really light, easy pants out of this. Our star here is the burgundy. And this burgundy is 100% wool, but it's a very light wool, and it's a great transition fabric. In the dead of summer, I would say no, but for right now and for months to follow, this is beautiful. This is normally $40 a yard. It's $19.99. It's 100% wool. It's a woven. It's gorgeous. It's very, very nice. So the burgundy, we're talking tonight about color combination, pairs with the yellow, pairs with the blush pink, and it also pairs with the just it pairs with the other colors, but the only ones I have here are the yellow and the pink. Sorry about that. This is 100% linen. It's a pink, and it is just beautiful. It is a woven, great fabric, great, no see-through, just a really beautiful weight. 100% linen, $19.99. And then this is 100% cotton. The other colors patterns are showing, Chanel especially, showing reds and pinks together. So this is where this fabric really comes into play. This is a reversible. It's 100% cotton. It has stretch in one direction. Beautiful cardigan. It's like a Pontoroma weight. So it's just lovely, lovely, lovely. Again, today, $19.99. I know with these fabrics, you'll have happy sewing. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.